In this video, we will see how to use an LCD with just 4 pins, as you can see here. Okay, LCD with just 4 pins. However, using this one, which have two mini jumper wires connected in the circuit, this is too complicated. So we're gonna have to simplify our circuit by using this one with just 4 pins. So let's go. First of all, we need to remove all this, but don't forget to unplug your Arduino. Let's unplug it. Okay, very good. And we need to replace it. Uh, we need to remove every single jumper wire in the circuit so that we can use this Arduino, this one. So let's go. Very good. As you can see, we have removed everything, so you can do the same things at home right now. We need to use just the Arduino and this LCD. Okay, right now. So as you can see, we have here just 4 pins, and we need to connect every single pin to the circuit. This pin is for the, sorry, okay, sorry again. Okay, what's going on? Okay, so uh, this pin is for the GND, and this one is for the 5 volts. So in this way, we have four pins, which are let me write it down here. It is let's say this. We have we have we have the GND, we have the VCC, and we have also SDA, and the last one is SCL. Okay, the GND is connected to the GND of the Arduino. This one is connected to the 5 volt of the Arduino. This one is connected to the SDA is connected to E4. It's connected to analog pin if A4. SCL is connected to the analog pin A A5. Okay, right. So let's do the same thing with the Arduino. So this is connected to uh, this is the SDA, which is connected to analog pin A4. It is connected to analog pin A4, and the SCA is connected to analog pin A5. Let me show you more closely. Can you see it? Okay, perfect. Very good. Okay, very good. Let's run the code. Very good. So let's remove this and this and this and also this. Okay, right. Perfect. Very good. Uh, we have what? We have here. We're gonna use some libraries. The first one is let's say include wire dot h, include liquid freestar.h. Okay, so uh the LCD, the LCT I2C, sorry, uh, address are so we're gonna to declare the LCD address. Uh, the number of the columns. So numbers of columns here. On the number of rows. Okay, so liquid. Let's see, crystal. I2C, LCD 0 cross 27. This is the address of the LCD. I2C, this is 16, and then the last one is 2. Okay, perfect. Very good. So let's initialize. So let's say LCD dot init. Here we initialize uh, the LCD, then LCD dot backlight, uh, backlight. Okay, turn. This means turn on the backlight. Okay, that's all. Let's verify the code. Sorry. Uh, okay. What is wrong here? LCD. LCD. What is here? LCD. Uh, li liquid crystal doesn't name. Did you mean liquid crystal dot H? Okay. Uh, what's wrong here? Uh, no, it is liquid crystal. Let's say uh what's wrong here? No. Uh, liquid crystal. So what is written here? LCD. Uh, okay. What's wrong here? It's very simple. Uh, liquid crystal does not name a tab. Did you mean liquid crystal? No. I mean I say liquid crystal. Ah, I say yeah, this is the error here. We just use crystal liquid crystal, but we didn't say that it is uh I2C, sorry. I2C. Okay, very good. Let's verify again the code. Perfect. So we everything is working. So we can continue while we code. So let's go for the loop function. Okay. LCD dot set cursor 0 0 LCD dot print hello world. Okay. LCD dot set cursor. Okay. This is let's say 01 LCD dot print. Let's say I love you. The same things like the previous one. I love you. Okay. Very good. That's all. So the code is now ready. The circuit is also ready. We need to plug the Arduino. Okay, plug it. Perfect. And now what we need to do is just to upload the code. So let's go and upload it. Click on upload. Perfect. Let me show you more closely. As you can see, as you can see here, it is written, "Hello world, I love you," like the previous one with too many jumper waves. This secret is particularly very simple, easy to use, and easy to set everything uh, right. Okay, so I encourage you most of the time to use this LCD ICTU uh, LCD screen because it is very simple, easy to use, and more practical for many types of projects. Because the previous one, if you have just a single jumper wire that doesn't work, then your LCD will print nothing. So it is very simple, and I encourage you to use this. Okay, so this is all for this video, and I see you in the next video. Goodbye.